Do you have part of your Word document looking like this or like this? Usually, those are corrections made by your superior, supervisor, or any other person. The person has cancelled some part of your work or has made some input, but didn't delete the part he or she has cancelled and has left it for you to know where he or she has touched on. It is therefore left for you to accept these changes. To do this, you click on Review. Then here you click Accept. Scroll down and click on Accept all changes and stop tracking. There you have it. Your work is now clean. Any additions made by the person will be maintained, and any cancellation will be removed. The good thing about accepting those changes is that it does not remove the main comments made by the person that you need to do, which usually appears here.